new just a few days ago on the 4th. I have to start with the bad news. The bad news is this price goes up at the end of the day. Only order of the year. The names of this are so perfect, this show. Floralicious. That jacket's too floralicious for you, babe. Snap front jacket, only order of the year. This was $89. Today, $74.98. 3 easy payments of $24.99, ready for spring in those gorgeous floral details. Only 2 color choices. We're looking at beautiful Adrian in that shadow pink. And then we also have dark indigo. We have extra small through 5X, and I'm so thrilled because one of my favorite ladies is right here in the flesh. I'm talking about my friend Angel Smedley.
Hello,
who
girlfriend.
brings us Quacker Factory. How are you?
Mwah. Mwah.
Welcome.
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
What a way to get started with some flower power.
I know. Loving this. So, Chelsea, this has been a customer request.
Okay.
We used to do jackets like you wouldn't believe,
okay.
right? And so I'm going to make sure that my mic is not, because I put the jacket on after I got mic'd up.
Yeah.
So you let me know.
You sound good to me.
I'm scratching.
No,
okay?
I don't hear any scratches.
Okay, good. So we used to do jackets all the time.
Right.
Yada, 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 right? And then we got away from it because it was getting a little expensive and all of this. So, but then our customers, our wonderful Quackers who've been with us for 30 years, we just celebrated last week. You said, hey, what's up? Where are the jackets?
Yes.
So our team said, okay, so this is a beautiful stretchy denim.
Right.
Snap front, beautiful seams down the front, nice princess seams. This is reminiscent to me of a barn jacket, but it's definitely shorter.
Yeah.
You know, pointed collar, snaps at the cuffs, a little pleat there. Just really something that you want for spring.
Yes.
And if you got the big deal last week or are interested in getting what we have, or you're going to get us tonight.
Also, your nail polish is the perfect match.
Thank you, of course.
Like you
Bubble
planned
bath.
it. Look at that. It gives you like that matchy moment that we absolutely love.
Yes.
I know right away because I tried this on earlier. The stretch is incredible.
Yeah.
Because how many times have you put on a jacket and you're like, well, guess I'm not going to reach for anything or hold the steering wheel. Yeah, you're like hello. You don't have to worry about that because the stretch is absolutely incredible.
It really is. And it, you know, I am wearing a different jacket that is available because I didn't think that I would like this print on top of the print of my dress, right? But the fun thing about this is you can just play with this.
Right.
You know, maybe you have a solid tank dress in your closet that you just haven't pulled out because you don't want to show your arms.
Yes.
This is a great way to get something new, treat yourself to something new, but shop your closet as well.
Isn't that great? I love that you mentioned that because how many times too, we just need that perfect top layer, the icing on the cake. We're looking at Miss Adrian right there. Adrian is 5'9". She's wearing the large size. Such a flattering jacket. I love that it has that fun burst of floral print that makes it a little bit special. And then snaps.
Yep.
I think snaps are my favorite thing.
I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too, because my husband will always come to me for his button front shirts, button down shirts, whatever, and say, can you do my cuff?
Do the cuff, right, exactly.
And with my hands and my nails,
it's impossible.
It's impossible.
It's so hard.
And I also need readers now to be able to see it. Yeah. So it's just, I'm like, okay, the blind leading the blind. Like, let's go and do this. So I appreciate a snap because it's easy peasy. Okay,
look at Adrian. She like popped her collar. It is so cute, so soft, and also 75% cotton, 23% polyester, 2% span. Well, that's hard to say. And you can machine wash and tumble dry. If you're looking for that perfect spring summer layer, that if you have a little tank, a little tee, you just want to put a little something on, this is that perfect topper. Adrian's wearing that gorgeous shadow pink color.
Love it.
How many are left, Chance? 700 in that pink, and then we have the dark indigo, which would look so good with a lighter denim, with a darker denim, hello, so many ways to wear it. This is A681255. Tap our app, visit us on QVC.com, give us a call, lots of ways to bring it home, but I want to remind you that great price goes away at the end of the day, and you're saving $14. $24.99 brings it home, and it's the only order of the year.
Yeah. you know, something like this is an investment piece.
Right.
You know why?
Tell me.
Because this will never go out of style.
Exactly. It's a
You will
classic.
have it for years and years and years to come. It is just something you'll reach for over and over again. It's chilly in the evening, you throw it on.
Yes.
You're going on a cruise, it's going to be chilly and breezy, you throw it on. You go to the beach, it's chilly at night, you throw it on. It's one of those pieces you'll reach for over and over.
And I love that it's just a little bit more special because you have that beautiful feminine detail of the floral print, super stretchy, easy to wear, flattering and comfortable. It's A681255. This color is dark denim, and then we have shadow pink. 3 easy payments of $24.99, but remember that price goes away at the end of the day. Okay, Angel, I saw a previous broadcast